Hi everyone, welcome to Inside View on Ultimate Foks TV. I am Oluwatosin Adeshina, your host. In this podcast, we'll talk to people from all kinds of backgrounds to hear their stories and share their experiences. Every episode, I interview someone new, whether they are an artist, a business owner, or someone that has a fascinating tale to tell. We'll dive into their experiences, what they have learned, and what inspires them. The aim of Inside View is to connect through our storytelling. Life is full of ups and downs, and through our story, we can learn and grow together. Join me as we explore this amazing life journey. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel's Ultimate Foks TV across all social media platforms.